Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 21, OV 89. हे काय वदले साई समर्थ, काय असावा की मथितार्थ, लेंडिया संग्रही सौदागर किमर्थ, काहीही अर्थ कळेना. What has Sai Samartha said? What could be its meaning? Why the collection of the stool by the merchant? He did not understand anything. ऐसा विचार करीत करीत अनंतराव माघारा येत, कथिले संभाषण इत्थंभूत, केळकरा प्रततयाने. Thinking thus, Anantarao came back and related the conversation from the beginning to the end to Kelkar. म्हणती सौदागर तो कोण, लेंडियाचे काय प्रयोजन, नवाचेच काय कारण, सांगा उलगडून हे मजला. And said, who was the merchant? What was the purpose of those balls of stool? Why was number 9 mentioned? Please reveal the meaning to me. दादा हे काय आहे कोडे, मी अल्पबुद्धी मजतेनु लगडे, होईल बाबाचे हृदय उघडे, ऐसे रोकडे मजकथा. Dada, what kind of riddle is this? I find myself incompetent to solve it. Tell me something which will open Baba's heart clearly to me in plain words. दादा वदते मजही न कळे, ऐसेच बाबांचे भाषण सगळे, परी तयाच्याच स्फूर्तीच्या बळे, कथितो आकळे जे मज. Dada said, I too do not understand. Baba's talk is always of this kind, but I will tell you whatever I am able to understand as he inspires me. कृपा ईश्वरी ते हे घोडे, हे तो नवविधा भक्तीचे कोडे, विना भक्ती न परमेश्वर जोडे, ज्ञाना न आतुडे एकल्या. The horse is God's grace. This is how the puzzle of the ninefold devotion could be explained. Without devotion, one cannot have a union with God, and knowledge will not be acquired. श्रवण कीर्तन विष्णु स्मरण, चरण सेवन अर्चन वंदन, दास्य सख्य आत्मनिवेदन, भक्ति हे जाण नवविधा. Listening, singing the Lord's praises aloud, remembering Lord Vishnu, serving at his feet, offering prayers, bowing down before him, being humble, developing affection and surrendering the Atma. These are the 9 ways of devotion. पूर्ण भाव ठेवोनी अंतरी, यातून एकही घडली जरी, भावाचा भुकेला श्रीहरी, प्रकटेल घरीच भक्ताच्या. With full faith, even if one of these ways of devotion is practiced, Sri Hari, who longs for devotion, will appear in the home of the devotee. जप तप व्रत योग साधन, वेदोपनिषद परिशीलन, उदंड अध्यात्म ज्ञान निरूपण, भक्ति विहीन ते फोल. Chanting of the Lord's name, practice of austerities, keeping of vows, practicing yoga, learning of Vedas and Upanishads, abundance of metaphysical knowledge and its various explanations, all this is a sham without faith. नको वेद शास्त्र व्युत्पत्ति, नको ज्ञानी हे दिगंत कीर्ति, नको शुष्क भजन प्रीति, प्रेमळ भक्ति पाहिजे. There is no need to be well versed in the Vedas, nor any need to be famous as a scholar. It is neither necessary to sing the praises of God without feeling. Only the loving sentiment of devotion is essential. स्वये आपणा सौदागर समजा, सौद्याच्या या भावार्था उमजा, फडकता श्रवणादी भक्तीची ध्वजा, ज्ञानराजा उल्हासे. Consider yourself to be the merchant and grasp the significance of that transaction. When the flag of devotion in the form of the ninefold bhakti flies high, then the incarnation of knowledge will be pleased.